More.
What's that? Where is the astronaut? Good job. How about... Where's the baker?
Oh,
Mm.
that cake. Cake.
Oh, nagbe-bake ng cupcake.
Cake.
What else? What's that? Carpenter. Doctor, that one.
Hunter.
Mm. What's that?
Oh, Baptist.
What's that? Oh yeah, what's that? Nurse.
Teacher.
Mm.
How
about this? What's this?
The oven.
What?
The oven. The on.
What's this?
King and queen.
King and Queen. Galing oh. How about this one?
Same.
This one.
Fireman.
Fireman. Good job. How about this one? May ant. Oh, wala na. Big ant. This one. What's this? This? Huh?
Soldier.
Good job. This one.
This one.
Oh, ano yan? Ano yan? Let me see. What's that?
Umpire.
Umpire.
That's umpire.
This one.
The
Oh, yan.
violinist.
Violinist. Good job. This one.
Strong.
I'm strong. Ano yung I'm strong na yan? That's a wrestler.
Yes, sir. English. Strong. English. Yes, sir.
This one.
This one.
Ano yan?
Exhibition.
X-ray technician. Good job.
The exhibition.
What else?
Chinese exhibition.
Good job. What else? Where's the judge? Good job. How about the... Oh, what's that?
Let's go.
Telescope. Telescope daw yun, Daddy. That's not telescope. Ang tawag sa kanya, surveyor. Zookeeper. Umpire. Ikaw ang tinatanong ko, tas ako na yung tinatanong mo. This one. I don't like. Nasaan yung reporter? Good job. How about the Indian? Indian. Good job. How about the operator? Indian. Yung operator saan? Operator. That's a zookeeper. Bye-bye na nga. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.